Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have some spicy dill ranch chicken wraps. And what I'm doing here is just basically, well, you can't see it on camera, but I'm putting some rub on the other chicken breast. And we're just going to pat this one dry, little paper towel action. Always make sure you do this with your meat before you cook it. It makes seasoning it here a lot better. All right, as you can see here, I've got a baking sheet, and I'm just putting a little rub on the chicken. You can use whatever rub you want. I went with, again, my grocery store has in-house rubs that they make themselves. I do quite enjoy them. And you just want to cover the chicken, then you want to pop them into a 300-degree oven until the chicken reads 165 internally. All right. Let's make the spicy dill ranch sauce. All right, now let's make the spicy dill ranch sauce. So to this, I have a tablespoon of dill pickle juice, 2 teaspoons of dried dill, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons of ranch dressing. And then to kind of up the spice, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of hot sauce. If you want it a little more mild, you can certainly add buffalo sauce. Then, of course, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then just grab a whisk and mix everything together. And then you just want to pour it into our hairdresser bottle or empty condiment bottle, and then pop it in the fridge. All right. Let's start assembly. Okay, as you can see here, we've got a flour tortilla that I warmed up a bit in the microwave. Now we're going to put a little bit of iceberg lettuce that we shredded up. Some of that chicken that we chopped up into bite-sized pieces. Of course, got to have more pickles, because pickles make everything delicious. Then we got to grab some cheddar cheese. And then a squirt of our spicy dill ranch sauce. And then just roll it up. And that is a spicy dill ranch chicken wrap. Done.